Okay, guys, we will now tell you about our first challenge. And please tell me if I am audible to you. Please tell in the live chat. Please tell me in the live chat if I am audible. Currently, I don't have just such good equipments to stream live. But please let me know if I'm audible and is my audio clear so that we can start with our challenge. Please tell me in the live chat. All right, great. So, our first challenge is pirated movie name challenge. So for this challenge, you might need to understand some things. Okay, so if you are true Indian, okay, if you are true Indian, then you might have surely checked about pirated movies. Okay, most of the people before Netflix, Amazon Prime used to download movies from different websites on the internet. So for this challenge, we took part of that particular pirated movie scenario. So if you remember, when you used to download these pirated movies, the name of that movie, the name of the file that you download used to be something very different, very unique. It was not exactly, for example, if I talk about some of the recent movies, let's just say Angrezi medium. Okay, so when I'm talking about Angrezi medium, if you download that movie, you won't find the exact same name until unless you are using torrents. Nowadays, if you are using torrents, you are getting the exact that name. But until unless you are using that torrents, you will be getting some different names. For example, if I take Angrezi medium, you will be getting at the rate, n, dollar, slash, hash, then different kind of name. So why it was done? Because Google, and there are so many policies on the internet that used to just remove these pirated videos just by simply searching their names. So whenever they found something suspicious, for example Angrezi medium on any server, they just used to delete it. So at that time, people used to start encrypting the names. So encrypted the name, added some characters, and then uploaded it on the server. So just like, let me show you one sample. There is lag in this stream. Yes. Okay. So there is around 4 to 5 second lag in the stream, so it will be like that only. So if you can see this on your screen, you can see there is a file which we are downloading, and the name is encoded very differently. For example, in this particular screenshot, I don't really remember what was the name of the movie. Oh yeah, yeah, I guess. Okay, so it's a Punjabi movie, something I guess named Madam G. Okay, so you can see in the name it is 27MA D4M 4 instead of A, and at the rate instead of space, then GI. Okay, and then there are some random characters. Okay, so for this challenge, what you have to do, your task will be that you will have to find such pirated movies. Okay, then what you will do is you'll make a Excel file or CSV file or anything like that. You have to store that name in that particular file. You can do this manually. This particular task of collecting the names and storing, preparing your database exactly, it can be very simple, so that you can just copy and paste the names. You do not have to write a code to just collect that name. I'm not saying you cannot, you can, it's your wish, that if you want to create a code to collect the names, no problem at all. Okay, so your task will be to take such names and create a Python program that will understand that pattern. Okay, it's not a simple thing. You will have to create a program that will understand the pattern in the name. Okay, and then find out what exactly is the name of that particular movie. Okay, so in this case where we showed one screenshot of this Madam G movie, here you will have to create a program that will decipher this particular text and convert it into single name. Okay, you can just, you can take screenshots if you want, there is no issue. Okay, if you want to take screenshots, you can. Two different sounds are clashing in your live stream. Okay, let me check. Okay, I reduced some gain from my microphone if it is okay. You will have to, that simple program, your task will be to create a program that will decipher the name of a particular movie, maybe Madam G or something like that. So whoever, the first person who will be able to create such program and submit it to us, upload it in your GitHub, share that link with us, we'll check that program, and if it works, we will give you goodies. The first person who will be able to make this program will be our first Shehnsha of Shehnsha-e-Program, and we will be sending out goodies to that person, and you will get a chance to work with us in creating projects, some fun projects maybe like this, or some very serious projects, for example which one we are working on the COVID and others. So if you have any queries, you can ask in the chat section, and I'll answer them side by side. If you have any questions, you can ask in the live chat. Otherwise, this will bring the end of our first challenge. You can always ask your queries on Instagram. We'll be there to answer you. And first person who will be there to submit this program or submit an application that can do such thing created by you, you will be crowned Shehnsha of Shehnsha-e-Program.